Hi guys, to start this lab activity, first of all I'll have to create an Excel file similar to this. I'll click on blank workbook and then I'll try to create a similar workbook as given in the problem statement. So first one is having the school name, so here we will write down Salakvi International School. Then mark sheet class 7th. Okay. Then we have to create a folder like roll number, then name, then subject name, and the SST, science, then total. So let's have a look what has been asked in the question once again. It is asking for topper of the class, that means we need maximum marks, the lowest marks, okay, and the number of students in the class using a given pointer as below. So number of students, the count must has been also we find out. So total, after the total we will calculate the percentage also. Okay, we will make a column of percentage. Okay, though it has not been asked in the question, but as per the format we have to do, so we will make a remarks also. So now we will use the feature of drag and down, just like 1, 2, and I'll keep and drag it, let's say up to 5 students. Okay, because the number of count is not mentioned, so we will take an example of 5 students only. Now the first one is colored, so I'll keep this file like this so that I can see both the window at the same time. So I need to merge all these cells up to this remark. So what I'll do, I'll click on this home tab, then merge at center is there. So I have merged this down and center. So the whole data will be merged and center. Similarly, I can do this for this also, merge and center. Now I make these 3 bold also, so I'll use the shortcut key Ctrl B. This one is colored yellow, so I'll use the color yellow here, and I'll use the color green here, okay, and I use the color blue here. So I'll use bit light color here, lighter. Similarly, let me take bit lighter for the green also. Yellow, lighter version, and here I'll select all these cells and keep it all borders so it looks nice. Okay, so this has been done. Now let me centralize these also. So I'll keep this center. Center line text will be like this, vertically center. Now I'll take an example of 5 random names, just like as in it, let's say Ambika, then suppose Bhavika, then let's say Chirag, then let's say Dinesh, then let's say Suresh, most common. Now randomly we have to put the marks. For example, 89, 95, 86, 85, 79, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, whatever it is, maybe 78, 79, 77, 96, 84, and randomly I can put some. Okay. So this must be good. Now first of all, how do we calculate the total? So I will left click on it and drag it to the right, and there is auto sum formula. I can click on this, so it will automatically find out the sum. We can see here is the formula written like C4 to G4. Now I can hold it down, just like the symbol you can see the changing. If I drag it down, all total marks will be calculated. Now percentage marks, how do we calculate the percentage marks? So there is a formula of this total marks, so which is the index of this cell. This is H4. So H4 divided by what? How many subjects? 5 subjects. So divided by 500, multiply by 100. So I can simply divide by 5 will result me the percentage mark. So this is providing us the result. We can format this cell also, just like I'll go format cell and number and up to 2 decimal points, so it will be unique. And I need to drag it down again so that it will be unique. Remarks I do not want. Now what further I have to calculate? Highest marks, minimum marks. That has been asked. First we have to work what has been asked. Okay. So here in the question, topper and the lowest has been asked. So we will do the calculation for that only first. Okay. So let me scroll it, maximize the size of this. Okay. So what I can do? Maximum marks. So I'll select all these and again go to the formula. Here is the maximum. It will give me the maximum. So I can write against this max. Okay. Max. So now I will have to identify who is having the maximum marks. 92.20, that is Dinesh is having maximum marks. And if I'll go for the minimum, so again I'll select all those cells and go for minimum. Here 85.20. We need to ensure that it is selecting this proper range or not once we are overlapping cell. So it is checking out I4 to I8. That means it is selecting the correct cell. So here I will write minimum. So I can bold these records by pressing Ctrl V, and we can identify maximum as Dinesh, that is 92.20. So I can highlight him with the color probably, let's say, green. And who is having the minimum? So 85.20, that is Ambika. So Ambika we can mark with the blue. Okay. So like this we can produce our result. Okay. One thing I missed. Can somebody tell me what is that? Yeah, I forgot to save this file. So first of all it is asking where I have to save, so it is asking for the OneDrive, but I can choose my local disk also. By looking at the more option, I can go to this PC and then, or I can browse my locations from this also, browse. So I go to workspace, SIS 2022 and classes work and class 7. I'll save with the appropriate name, suppose activity. Okay, so now it has been saved at the proper location, so in the future if I want I can access it.